Ever wondered how professional hackers think? Not the movies, the real, methodical kind. They don't improvise. They plan, they probe, they learn. This is about understanding their process, not to copy it, to defend against it, to get smarter. And to stay one step ahead, start with the essentials. You don't need a supercomputer. A modest laptop will do. Even a phone can teach you fundamentals. Curiosity matters more than gear. Security pros build safe labs, virtual machines, isolated networks, and controlled data. A sandbox where mistakes don't spill into the real world. That's where learning is ethical and smart. The first real step is reconnaissance. Learn the target's surface from a distance. Discover what's exposed, what's public, and what's hidden. This is information, not action. Next comes scanning. Scan for weak points, misconfigurations, and outdated services. But remember, scanning without permission is breaking the rules. In a lab, it's a way to map risk and prepare defenses. Vulnerability assessment follows. It's a careful review of where systems can fail. It's how defenders prioritize fixes. Think of it as triage for digital assets. In controlled tests, experts simulate attacks. They don't wreck systems. They reproduce scenarios so defenders can patch them. It's like a stress test for security. Maintaining access is a lesson in persistence, ethically taught. Defenders study persistence so they can detect and remove it. It's a cat-and-mouse game between attack techniques and defenses. Covering tracks in ethical practice means thorough documentation. Every test, every outcome, every mitigation is recorded. Transparency builds trust. Transparency prevents misuse. The true skill isn't flashy exploits, it's discipline. It's patience, it's continuous learning. Where do professionals practice? On legal platforms that simulate real challenges. Places like Hack the Box, Try Hack Me, and Over the Wire. Safe training grounds that teach real techniques responsibly. Build your toolkit the right way. Learn networking fundamentals. Understand operating systems and protocols. Master logging and monitoring. Learn how defenders think. Study incident response. Practice analyzing logs. Set alerts that matter. Automate where possible. Create honeypots to study attacker behavior. Deploy them carefully and ethically. What attackers reveal helps build better defenses. Always keep your environment updated. Patches, configuration reviews, and robust policies reduce risk. Security is ongoing, never finished. If you're serious about learning, get certified. Courses and certifications validate your skills. They teach legal, ethical frameworks that matter. Be cautious with tools and tutorials online. If something promises instant power, it's likely unethical or illegal. Respect the law, respect people's privacy. When you present findings, communicate clearly, explain risk, likelihood, and impact. Offer actionable remediation, not fear. The cybersecurity community values sharing responsibly. Publish research with consent and caution. Help others learn without enabling harm. Remember, hackers who do harm face real consequences. Ethical hackers choose protection over profit. Their goal is to reduce harm, not create it. If you want to start today, begin small. Set up a VM, walk through a beginner lab, read, practice, and ask mentors for guidance. Curiosity fuels growth. Discipline keeps you out of trouble. Ethics guide your path forward. This isn't a shortcut to power. It's a long road of learning, failure, and steady progress. And it's worth it because defenders keep our digital world running.